What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we have a very special guest. And with the emergence of so many new modular tool storage systems, I wanted to get his feedback on his EDC, what he's been using every day for the last probably 10 years, a decade. We have Big Norm, like he was rolling in onto the job site.
Nah, I don't roll all this on the job site.
That's the best part about a lot of these systems is that you take what you need. Now, this is pretty much what they would call the milk crate. Norman has two of them here. He has boxes down below. He can take what he needs out of those boxes, put them into this crate, even though this one's chock full, and then take this into the job if he needed.
This doesn't even leave my truck. These two, I got some cables on the back of my truck.
Okay.
That I lock them up on the truck. And then these two just stay in the back seat behind me.
How long have you been using Ridgid's modular tool storage system?
I got them in about 2016.
Okay.
So.
Is that wow?
Yeah, that's the latest. I've had them about going on 8 years because it wasn't quite in the beginning of 2016 when I got them.
All right, here's a question. Tell me how your day looks with this. How do you use it? What do you like about it? Just go through it.
It depends on the day and what I'm doing. That box has mostly like all kinds of screw boxes and stuff. I use this for fixing loose hinges. It's just some skewers. And then I keep like just odds and ends. I got plumbing stuff, hooks, power bind, power grab, rubber gloves, cleaning stuff for getting graffiti and stuff off.
Okay. You'll leave this on the truck, you'll take out what you need, and then you'll put it into another crate, or how do you get it into the job?
I usually carry it in my hand or put it in a bucket.
Gotcha.
Or put it in a caulk gun.
Gotcha. What do you got in this second crate?
This one is just extra tools. I got like hammers, door kits, plumbing stuff, big demolition hammers, stuff that I don't use every day, but I like to have with me.
Okay.
Big screwdrivers,
demo
stuff for cutting pecs, and gloves, laser level.
And what are we keeping inside these boxes?
This one is my paint box. I use this one a lot. It's got screwdrivers and stuff in it, but that's so I don't have to take out my big boxes. It just has little stuff like for taking off light switch covers and light socket covers, and then my roller frames, caulk guns, roller heads, heat gun, my knives and stuff for drywall. And this is all my drywall stuff because
you have every inch
filled.
Filled.
There's a method to the madness, or they won't close.
Crates weren't something that were part of the initial system at first.
No.
So
this box, and then the small one that I usually keep drills and stuff in.
When it comes to modular tool storage, Ridgid does a tremendous job offering a great value, and vacuum cleaners. I think that we could say universally, there's probably at least one of those vacuum cleaners, a Ridgid vacuum cleaner, on almost every job site.
I got a bunch of them. I have 3 of them.
They do a great job there. Plumbing tools, hand tools. So what do you have inside this box?
This one is the heaviest and most packed.
Wow, it is too.
This is just a bunch of drill bits, spade bits, and concrete bits, and extensions, some of my electrical tools.
Oh.
That's my electrical bag for doing electrical stuff. It's got like a few hand tools where if I have I have to run inside and do a small job. Don't need to take this whole box.
I don't blame you.
This is what I got instead of Ridgid.
Okay.
Craftsman drills. This whole set was like 6 tools for $189. And if you just started out in the trades, you might want to check it out because it's on sale right now for $159.
Wow.
And
will it come 2 batteries, charger, the tools?
Yeah, it came two batteries. I don't know if it still does, and then you got an extra one free with the 4 amp hour for $179 for 6 tools. if they get stolen,
That's hilarious.
it's not a problem. And then my hammer, small crowbar.
That's nice.
I'm not taking all of this out.
You don't have to take it all out.
But
You got it in there. Holy, it's packed.
I didn't open up the box with my AV equipment in it, but yeah, I got some of the, this is a Kaizen foam.
Oh, Kaizen foam, yeah. Yep.
So I have my cameras in there and the camera, some of the stuff for the cameras. Most people aren't interested in it, but instead of HDMI, I use SDI. So I have the converters in there all in one case, and then I have all my SDI cables in a case, and the extension cords in a case, and then my switcher, I custom built that. It's in the case. I built it and put everything in the case and with a monitor. So all I do is open it up and plug stuff into it and it runs.
That's nice.
I got cans in here to hold that's my dividers. That's why I said I never got the dividers. I got some old canned goods cans in there.
I got a question. What do you think about the 2.0 compared to the first gen? Do you like this 2.0? You said that none of these boxes, closed boxes, come off the truck. We're talking about in the bed of the truck.
Yes.
They're there every day.
Yes.
Sunshine, cold, rain, sleet, snow.
Yes.
So inside of here is completely dry.
Completely dry,
So,
unless I open it while it's raining.
Yep.
And most of the time, if it's raining outside, I'll take it in. I try not to open it.
You'll take it in before you open it.
Yeah.
But that's probably due to the gasket on the underside.
Yep.
How's that? I mean, this box is, how old do you think this box is, Norman?
This box, 7 or 8 years old.
So this is 8 years old. That gasket's all still in one piece. Any improvement to the crates that you think needs to happen, or even this box?
I don't know if it's all of them, but the long box,
Yeah.
that one, I had that on my truck for a while, and that's why I stopped using it. The long one with the little wheels and you pull out the handle.
Yeah.
Because I had some tools they didn't get messed up. I can still use them. I cleaned them off, but they got rusty because water did get in it. But these boxes,
Yeah.
I've never had a problem with any of the smaller boxes.
Well, we appreciate that feedback, and I know they'll probably appreciate all that feedback.
They stick to these boxes, they'll be fine. But the only thing that seems to change is the instead of the orange thing is black and just got the rigid. It's just the color of them. The basic box is basically still the same.
So you think it's all same quality, it's just as good. Well, I appreciate you sharing with us, Norman. Thank you very much. And if you like, when Norman stops by to share with us what's in his toolbox, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, you'll get 7 years of good luck. Listen, if you want to see some more Ridgid tools or Ridgid boxes, stick around, because this next video, it's all Ridgid. You're going to love it.